Hi, this is Derek with Windows Central. We are at CES 2018 checking out this, the Samsung Notebook 9 Pen. It is a full 360-degree convertible laptop from Samsung, and it throws in Samsung's signature S Pen technology. Let's check it out. This is a full-fledged Windows 10 laptop. It has the latest 8th generation Intel Core i processors, up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of SSD storage. This is a 13.3-inch full HD touch display. It's not the highest resolution, but at this size, it's more than enough. And it is a 360-degree convertible laptop. It rotates all the way around, and you get a nice, easy-to-use, lightweight tablet. And this is incredibly light. It's about 2.5 pounds, maybe only 2 pounds. It's a very light laptop. Samsung estimates about 9 hours of battery life out of this, and that's closer to more of a real-life estimate than the 12 or 14 hours that you might see out of some other competitors. And it comes in an incredibly light package. It's about 2.5 pounds, 2.25 pounds. Very lightweight, easy to hold for long periods of time using as a laptop or a tablet. Now, even though this is a lightweight and thin convertible, Samsung has still packed in a full complement of ports. It has an HDMI port, it has USB-C, it has a full headset audio jack. And it also has even a full-size USB-A port and micro SD card slot, and a power button. Woo! How Samsung has differentiated this from all the other convertible laptops on the market is by integrating their own S Pen technology. That's the same tech that they've been using in their Galaxy Note Android smartphones, but now they're bringing it to Windows laptops. The S Pen slots in right here on the bottom, pulls out, and as soon as you do that, it opens up their software interface with all sorts of custom options beyond what just Windows Ink has to offer. If you don't want to use that stuff, they still have Windows Ink built in, so all the things that you're used to doing are still available. You can use S Pen, you can use Windows Ink, it's entirely up to you. Samsung also hasn't skimped on security. This has the full Windows Hello security suite. It has a pair of IR cameras up top for facial recognition, and they even built a touch fingerprint sensor right into the keyboard deck, easy to access, not hidden away on the side or anything like that. So that is the Samsung Notebook 9 Pen. It's an impressive little portable, and we're really looking forward to checking it out. It'll be available sometime in the first quarter of 2018, though Samsung has not told us exactly when or how much it's going to cost, but we're definitely looking forward to checking it out. I'm Derek with Windows Central. Stay tuned for more from CES 2018. And let's talk about Windows Hello, because it has cameras and a fingerprint sensor. Okay.